Hi, my name is Lisa McCaffrey-Smith, and I'm teaching project management processes and certifications this fall at the University of Portland. So why this class? Why this fall? Project management is a growing field. It is growing, it's globally recognized. PMI is the entity, the global entity that has created this exam so that people who are truly dedicated to the profession can sit for an exam and earn a certification, either the CAPM or the PMP certification. After the semester and learning together, we will be working together, you would be able to apply to take either the PMP exam or the CAPM exam. So that's your outcome. What are you learning overarching in the class, though? Because there are some other goals as well. I will be going through, of course, all of the PMI lexicon and everything else so that you can learn in order to pass the exam. I will be teaching you some tips and tricks to make the exam a lot easier to handle. It is not an easy exam. It's not something that you've ever taken before in your life. But once you've sat for it, you never have to take it again, as long as you keep up with your professional development as you go along in your career. So is the PMP or the CAPM, PMI, is it just for people that want to be project managers? No. It is, although there's project management in every single career that there is, there are project managers, highly in demand profession, a lucrative profession. You will, even if you don't pursue it as your ultimate career goal, you will always be in projects. You will always be working with others, and having a fundamental understanding and knowledge of project management truly will give you a leg up, a foot up as far as moving forward in your career. So in the class, you're going to learn what it is in order to be a successful project manager. You will learn the PMI's lexicon and understand how and be able to pass the exam that you can apply for and take after the class is over. We're also going to be talking about ethics. We're going to talk about what it means to be a project manager in the world today. I have a background in software development with tech companies. I have a background in supply chain using project management there, aerospace engineering. So I have a varied knowledge and experience that I'm very happy to share with you. And one other thing that I have that a lot of your professors at the university can't say is that I actually graduated from the University of Portland with my master's in operations and technology management. So I know where you're at. I know your shoes that you are wearing as you walk through these walls here at the University of Portland, and I know I can relate to your experiences. So I will be able to bring that as well to the table. Anyway, I really do look forward to meeting you this fall, and I welcome you to please ask any questions that you'd like. Just send me an email, and I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have. And I look forward to seeing you the last Monday in August, the August 26th, I believe it is, in the evening. We will have our first class, and look forward to seeing you then. Take care. Bye-bye.